So today I'll be showing you how to unhide likes on Instagram. So let's say you had hidden the likes of posts from other people, so you can't see the like count on other people's posts. If you want to unhide that, then simply go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. That takes you to your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, go to Like and Share Counts, tap on that, and then here you want to unhide by turning off the Hide Like and Share Counts option. So once you turn that off, you've unhidden the like count. So now you can actually see the like count on other people's posts. Now, if you want to unhide likes on your own post, maybe you had hidden likes on your post so that other people don't see them, you can actually unhide them by going to your profile, find a post that you had hidden like count for. So for instance, you can see this one had its like count hidden. So to unhide, just tap on the three dot button in the top right corner of that post and then select Unhide Like Count. And once you do that, the like count will now be visible. Okay, and you can do that for all the posts that you had hidden like count for. That's basically how to unhide like count or unhide likes on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.